Welcome to 60 Seconds to Code, where I show you how to code in 60 seconds or less. Today you will learn about working with files in Python using the with statement. A very common programming pattern is the need to open a file, do something with the file, and then close the file. This common pattern can be very easily implemented using the with keyword in Python. Step 1. Create a file called myfile.txt and enter some text into the file. Step 2. Create a file called readfile.py and in line 1 type with open myfile.txt or as myfile : exactly as it appears on the screen. This line will open the file in read-only mode indicated by the R flag and return an object called myfile that has properties and methods that you can use to interact with the file. Step 3. In line 2 type data is equal to myfile.read open parentheses close parentheses. Step 4. In line 3 type print open parentheses data close parentheses. When the program execution enters line 3, the with statement will have closed the file without you having to do anything else. Step 5. Run the file. The code is available in a link in the description below. Congratulations, you have learned about the with keyword and using it to open and read files. For your homework, try to see if you can write something to the file and try to code a little every day because code is life.